How you guys doing? Here's the video you guys have all been waiting for. The big unboxing of the DeWalt 13-inch thickness planer. That's right, folks. We've got it right here for you. Long time coming. This is going to help out. I've got my drum sander. There won't be much for me to get after this. Alright, let's get to it. What we have here is the 13, it's 105 pounds. So let's see, it comes also with a bonus of the heavy duty planer folding tables and replacement planer knives. So you got that going for you. DW735x for the trays or the tables, and DW735x for the replacement blades, which I will be getting, of course, helical head down the road. Let's see how fast I can wear these out. Alright, in the box we've got two more boxes, and these are going to be the tables. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and leave those in the boxes until I assemble this madman. So we got 1, 2. Can you see me in there? I'm hiding. Alright, good breeze tonight. Here's the other tray. So we're just going to keep those in there. Keep me from scuffing those up. I'm going to go ahead and move these out of the way. Alright, let's see what we got next. Next, we've got extra set of blades. I hear these things are pretty sharp, so you don't want to handle them with your hands very easily. Here, I have my crank. Everybody needs a good crank. Alright, so trash that. Oh, look at that, the old instruction manual. We won't be needing that. That's why they got YouTube, right? Oh man, I bought one of these. There's a reduction fitting. That's good to have. Throw that out. What do we got here? Oh man, Earth Day stuff. Alright, so there we go. Trash that. There's a handle here and a handle here that allow me to lift this out of the bag. I'm going to move a couple of things as to not destroy stuff, and I'm going to try it. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to put it lower and lift it up onto the table. Or I can do my same technique. Oh, come on. There we go. See if I can't get this sucker out now. Oh yeah. She's fighting. She's fighting, kids. Get out of here. Alright. What a beast. I hope she's as fun to use as she is to get out of the box. DeWalt, it's dirty on the top. I know I didn't do that. There's a nick right here. What, are you guys sending me used shit? Pardon my French. But you spend almost $700 on a machine. You don't want there to be dirt on it. If I find out this is used, I'll be getting a full refund. You watch that. It looks like it's brand new. Alright, let's see if I can There she is. She'll come out now. Maybe. If I just had one more hand. I'll tell you what we're doing. We're going for it. I'm gonna act like a jerk. We'll treat you like a jerk. Let's see if I can throw it on the ground before I get to play with it. Whoever thought about bagging it up. Chinese guys somewhere right now laughing their ass off. It's only 92 pounds. You think they could figure out how to put it in a damn box right? Alright. It's dirty. Seems to be new. There's not much to it, I guess. Got the dust collection, the crank. I don't see anything else. Alright, the screws in here for the crank to go right here. Alright, we'll do that at another time. Come over here. I don't see the dust collection. Oh, here it is, right here in my face. See? So, I guess it's a tornado blaster type. Put that on there. Man, that's hokey. There we go. Alright. So that goes on there. I've got a shop box with this attachment. Dust right attachment. So of course I have the dust right connector as well. So let's see how that looks. We'll turn that around. And there she goes. I don't know if this will fit right on here. Like, I don't know if I need that. Let's see. Yes, I definitely need that. So that goes on there, and that goes on there. Boom, yeah. We've got dust collection. What do you think? Think this will be a new add-on, good add-on to the shop? I'm gonna not get a joiner for a while. I'm gonna use my table saw, build a joiner sled for this. The next one is going to be a drill press. I got a good drill press. I got some good jobs coming. I'm gonna mimic the little toddler lawnmower that was out there on the Turning Channel about a year ago. He just did an update for his little niece, and she loves it. So I'm going to build one of those for my nephew and make some to try to sell. Pay for some of this stuff. So stick around, smash that thumbs up. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, drop a suggestion, and remember, I'm still looking for a girlfriend who can edit and shoot video. God bless you. Be safe. Get your gardens going. Who knows what's happening. Make sure you got a little bit of food. Good water filter. I guess I gotta clean this mess up.